Mastering fact-checking. Become a savvy English listener. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into an exciting and highly relevant topic: using fact-checking websites and tools. This is a crucial skill that helps us evaluate the reliability and credibility of the information we hear or read. Remember, not everything you hear or read, even in English, is necessarily true. So, let's learn how to cross-reference and fact-check information like real pros. Fact-checking is the process of verifying the accuracy of the information. It involves comparing the details of what you've heard or read with trusted sources. This helps to ensure that the information you are getting is reliable and accurate. As English learners, this is an essential skill for you to develop because it not only helps you understand the content better but also gives you the confidence that the information you have is correct. There are many online platforms available to help you with fact-checking. These are commonly known as fact-checking websites and tools. They are designed to help you validate the information you receive. The primary purpose of these websites and tools is to fight against misinformation and fake news. As English learners, utilizing these resources can help you develop a more nuanced understanding of the language by getting to the truth of the information you encounter. Using fact-checking websites and tools is quite straightforward. These platforms generally have a search function where you can enter the claim or piece of information you want to verify. The site will then present a series of results related to the claim and give a verdict on its accuracy. While using these resources, always remember to evaluate the source of the information, check the date of publication, and look at the website's methodology for fact-checking. This will help you get the most reliable and credible results. The benefits of using fact-checking websites and tools go beyond just verifying the truthfulness of a claim. These resources can help you. 1. Improve your comprehension skills. By evaluating the truthfulness of the information, you get to understand the content better. 2. Enhance critical thinking. Fact-checking requires you to think critically about the information you consume, which is a valuable skill in learning a language. 3. Expand your vocabulary. You will come across new words and phrases while fact-checking, which helps in expanding your vocabulary. 4. Build confidence. Knowing that the information you have is accurate can give you more confidence in your language learning journey. And that's it. We've just taken a deep dive into using fact-checking websites and tools, an invaluable skill in our journey as savvy English listeners and readers. Fact-checking enables us to ensure the accuracy of the information we consume and boosts our critical thinking skills. Remember, as you continue to grow in your English language learning journey, keep these tips in mind and always question the validity of the information you encounter. Happy fact-checking, and see you in the next video.